Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Xbox app Install Blocked error on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This will open the command window with full system permissions. Now we need to remove old group policy files that may block Xbox app installations. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command exactly as shown on the screen and then press Enter. rd/s/q%windir%\system32 group This command deletes old policy settings that may be preventing the Xbox app from working correctly. After that, refresh the policy settings on your system. Type the following command and press Enter. gp update/force. Windows will now rebuild and apply fresh policy settings. Wait until the process finishes. Once it is complete, restart your computer. Restarting clears old policy data from memory and allows the new settings to fully apply. After the restart, open Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Xbox in the list, click the three dots, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair. This fixes app files without deleting your data. If the problem is still there, go back and click Reset instead. You should also repeat the same repair and reset steps for the Microsoft Store app because Xbox services depend on it. Now open the Xbox app again and try installing your game or app. Thanks for watching.